The budget calls for an additional $71 million investment in mental health. The county wants to move away from a crisis response model to a preventative one, and local providers say the dollars are definitely needed.
We're seeing an enormous increase in the need, and we're talking the need from everything from children and youth all the way up through the older adult systems of care.
The local chapter of the National Alliance on Mental Illness, or NAMI San Diego, now works with up to 40,000 people per year.
Increase in the volume of our calls, increase in need for people finding resources, and increase in our support groups.
They have staff at local clinics and at the county's psychiatric hospital. NAMI also works with those experiencing substance abuse disorders.
Overdoses have increased dramatically across the country, but also particularly here in San Diego County. So we do have to acknowledge that we are in a crisis when it comes to our individuals who are losing their life due to addiction disorders, and they are also experiencing homelessness, that we have a heavy lift to start doing and getting those individuals wrapped around and into supportive services.
The proposed budget also includes additional money for serving the county's aging population. Officials want to add 60 new positions for in-home supportive services.
Well, one of the most disturbing trends that we're seeing relates to homelessness. We're seeing more and more homeless older adults that are coming through our doors.
Paul Downey is CEO of Serving Seniors. He'd like to see in-home supportive services extended to homeless shelters.
Many of the shelters have people who come in, seniors or even non-seniors, who can't meet their activities of daily living, ADLs. So this is things like being able to bathe themselves, dress themselves, go to the bathroom by themselves, and they're turned away. But those are exactly the kinds of things that in-home supportive services can do to assist.
The budget would add 100 new positions to help people secure life-saving benefits like CalFresh and Medi-Cal. Serving Seniors has more than doubled their meal distributions during the pandemic, on track to serve 1.5 million this year.
This food insecurity is a really big deal.
Public budget meetings are set to start later this month and continue into June. A final budget must be passed by June 30th. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.